You want to know how to live in an airport for 7 days for free? Then watch this video till the end. And please, don't forget to subscribe.
I have absolutely nothing with me, not even clothes, and my goal is to spend the next 7 days here in this airport for free. But first, I have to find a t-shirt because now everyone is looking at me and they're going to kick me out. Can I ask you a question? By any chance, can you give me a t-shirt before they kick me out?
I don't have a t-shirt, bro.
You don't have a t-shirt? Oh my god, really? Can I give you? Can I give you a hug? Oh my god.
Now you're gonna look for socks and shoes.
Yes.
Do you want flip-flops too?
Do you have? Yeah, please. Oh my god. I had to leave immediately from that place. There is everywhere cameras. For sure the guards saw me from the camera and they're coming to get me. So I'm going to a different section of this airport. This airport is one of the busiest airports in the United States. Hopefully I don't get caught now. Oh. No. Ooh. Stay close. Yes, I made it. I'm going to the next section now. Bye people. I made it to the next terminal. This terminal has 5 sections. Every day I'm going to be moving sections for them to not find me. Do you think that you can live in this airport forever?
No.
No?
Absolutely not.
How many days do you think you can live here without getting noticed?
I don't think even one.
Well, I'm going to prove this man wrong. Not only by living more than 1 day in the airport, but I will try to have fun as well. In this airport is a bit cold, so I can't live forever with the flip-flops. I see people eating food and I'm jealous. Food and water will be a problem the next day. So as you can see guys, these are cameras. Everywhere in the airport there is cameras. So probably they are watching me. Oh, American Admirals Club. I will sneak inside here. While the other people were standing in the line and the reception was busy, I walked in. So I just walked in. Oh my god, I sneaked inside this. Everything is free, right?
Yes.
There is restaurant. All this is free. I'm the happiest man alive. Oh my god, this is the best lunch, right?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I love you. Oh my god, I watch all of your videos, I swear to god.
Nice to meet you.
Oh my god.
Now I have to eat as much food as I can because the next days I will not have food. Everything. Put a lot of everything. There is one rule in this challenge. If I get kicked out, I have to stay outside the streets, homeless, the rest of the days. I'm putting my legs here for the sun to warm them up because it's super cold. I have to find a blanket. I wonder how many hours I can stay in the business lounge area. I think I can stay here the whole night. There is a playroom for kids. Hello Harry Potter. Wingardium Leviosa. Wow. It's a business center. I need to find a blanket. So now I will go and ask them if they have a blanket. Is there any place that I can get a blanket or something because it's a bit cold? Unfortunately, they didn't have a blanket, so I had to find a different way to warm my legs. Guys, I have a weird question. Does anybody have an extra pair of socks because I'm freezing? I will sleep here tonight. That would be amazing. Sorry for bothering you guys. Oh my god, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Can I give you a hug?
Of course, yes. Yes.
We found socks now. The only thing is missing is shoes, but that's for tomorrow. Yes, it's kind of funny, but now it's a lot warmer. This lounge is closing in 5 minutes, and I was so happy that I would sleep here tonight. So I took all his fruits with me. This is my food for tomorrow. I'm freezing guys, I need a blanket. So now I'm searching the airport to see if there is a good location for me to sleep. This seems like a good idea. So I'm walking to the other section now. There is a hotel here. Maybe I can collect some money the next days and come. There is a relief area. Let's go and check that out. I'm not alone in the airport tonight. This is the relief area. Let's see what it is. This is for dogs. Oh wow, that's cool. It's not a good place for me to sleep. The person sleeping there. So I think I'm not going to get caught tonight. Hopefully a security doesn't come and say, can I see your ticket? Because I don't have one. Here I'm going to sleep. I slept for 2 hours, but I woke up because of this. Oh wow.
freezing. Sir, do you have a blanket? No. What if I steal this? I'm going to take this. And put it back in the morning. So I woke up now. It's day 2, baby. I left the area that I slept immediately because I cannot stay in one area all the time. Today I have to find a way to make money to buy a jacket because it's freezing in this airport. How much is this? I just want to see the price. $60.
Yamaha, they have them for $24.99.
She said that there is cheaper jacket, so I have to go and find cheaper ones. Oh my god, this is $34. I think I can make $34. Okay, goal set. I'm trying to collect $25 for me to get a hoodie. Do you have any change on you?
You know what? I was walking through gate check. There's $20 sitting on the ground.
Really? Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man. Pay it forward.
I will pay it forward. Thank you so much. The first person I walked into, he gave me $20. Yeah.
I don't have any cash, I'm sorry.
Okay, sir, do you have any change on you? Do you have any change on you? No. No problem. Have a great day. There's a lot of no's. Can I ask you one question? Do you have any change? Okay.
I don't.
Okay.
No, I can give you a long sleeve shirt.
Oh, that would be good. Amazing.
The button up.
This will help with the cold. Thank you so much, sir. So now I have to buy pants. People are kind, guys. Okay, I found long pants. Oh my, $75. No, thank you.
Which one do you need?
This is the blanket that
Okay.
I want.
Take it over there.
Oh my god, so amazing. Kind people exist. Have a great day.
Pass the kindness.
I promise I will do it. This blanket is $35. So the man bought me a blanket and I still have those 20 euro. Oh, this will be a miracle in the night. Oh my god. This is the best thing ever. Tonight is going to be challenging because if they see me second night from the cameras, it will be a problem. I'm bored inside the airport. Look what I found, guys. This is a place in the airport that you come to pray. So much respect for religions. I've been walking for 1 hour now and I only explored one section. This airport is huge. Good news for me because it would be more difficult for them to catch me.
I was hungry, so I tried to sneak into another VIP lounge.
I sneak in again for the second day. It's $50 to be here. Oh my god, there is free food, free coffee. Oh my god. This is a different one than the yesterday one. I just saw the coolest thing in the world. Look at these guys. The showers. Hello. If I want to take a shower, is it possible? What is the... Okay, cool. They just need my boarding pass, which I don't have. I guess no shower for the next 5 days.
But then I had an idea.
So to shower here, you need a boarding pass, which I don't have. I don't have a flight back. Anyway, I have to find a stranger from this lounge to help me get to the shower. Sir, can I ask you a question? How much time you are going to stay here in this lounge?
5 p.m. today.
So you have some time. I want to do a shower, but I sneaked inside here and I don't have a boarding pass. Is it a possibility for you to get the key for the shower and give it to me?
When you travel?
Me? I make a video. I live here for 7 days in this airport. So I want to get a shower.
Okay, let me ask.
So let's hope for the best.
After 10 minutes, they came back with the keys.
You are the best. Oh my god. Now I can see you. Shower number 9 or number 6. Oh my god. This is the best thing ever. Wow. Okay, bye. I'm so happy, guys. Oh my. I love it, guys. Goodbye, shower. Thank you so much. That was the best present in the world.
Okay.
Oh my god, thank you guys. The sun is going down for day 2.
Thank you for visiting us. It's a safe thing.
So the lunch is about to close. This is the secret spot that I found in the airport. Hello, brother. This is the sleeping area. This will be my bed for tonight. There is a lot more people sleeping here. 1, 2, 3, and it's a sleeping area. I like this area because it's a lot more darker than the bright airport that way. I'm afraid tonight about the security because this is my second night and there is high chances of me being watched. That's why I'm sleeping in a different place tonight. That was security. Sleeping time. As the days go by, it will get more difficult because the security will remember my face and they will probably understand that I'm sleeping here for 7 days. I slept for 10 hours straight and nobody came to wake me up. Day 3! So I'm going to move from this section of the airport. Day 1 I was at block D. Yesterday I was at block A and today I have to move block for them to not notice me. I love it when the airport is full. I'm not going to get noticed when there is thousands of people next to me. If I get caught today, I have to stay 4 days outside in the streets homeless. Today we're going to work to have everything in order for a good life in the airport, which means shoes, maybe long pants, maybe a hoodie, toothpaste, toothbrush. We're going to see what we're going to find. In the airport, everything is expensive. Now I'm waiting the train to go to Terminal D.
What's up?
Do you work here?
I do. Where are you going?
I am going to the moon.
Going to Mars.
No, only Elon Musk is going there. I didn't want to tell him that I live here because he works here. Let's see what